When comparing Fieldwire versus Procore for construction project management, the first thing that stands out is how both platforms serve different needs. But which one is actually best for your construction projects? Let's break it down. Both Fieldwire and Procore are popular in the construction industry, but they offer different features and approaches to managing projects. So, if you're wondering which of these tools will truly help streamline your construction processes, stick around, because we'll cover everything you need to know and, spoiler alert, I've got a better alternative to recommend at the end of this video. Next, let's talk about ease of use. Fieldwire is known for its simplicity and is favored by smaller teams and contractors who want a straightforward solution. It focuses heavily on task management and communication. Users can create to-do lists, markup plans, and track issues in real time. But Procore? Procore is a much bigger platform with a broader range of tools, including budgeting, scheduling, and resource management. The interface can feel overwhelming at first, but it's packed with functionality, making it ideal for large teams and enterprises managing multiple projects. The third thing to consider is pricing. Fieldwire offers a more budget-friendly option with a free plan for small teams and affordable paid plans. However, for what you get with Procore, you're looking at a much steeper price. Procore's pricing is custom and varies based on the size of your business, but it's definitely an investment. So, if cost is a major factor, Fieldwire wins here, but only because Procore is geared towards larger, more complex organizations. Now, let's talk about project collaboration. Fieldwire allows team members to collaborate effectively on-site and off-site with features like real-time updates and mobile access. This makes it easy to stay connected, especially on smaller, simpler projects. Procore, on the other hand, offers more robust collaboration tools. It connects teams across every stage of the project and integrates with other systems, providing a seamless experience. But here's the catch: this added functionality can sometimes be overwhelming for users who just need something straightforward. The fifth point is integrations. Procore shines in this area with its wide range of integrations with third-party software, including accounting, ERP, and project scheduling tools. This is crucial for larger construction companies looking to consolidate their data and workflows into one platform. Fieldwire is more limited in its integrations, but still connects well with a few popular tools, which might be sufficient for smaller teams. Next, let's consider mobile capabilities. Fieldwire's mobile app is one of its strong points. It's easy to use and is perfect for on-site teams who need quick updates and access to documents on the go. Procore's mobile app is solid as well, but can be a little clunky due to the sheer volume of features it supports. Both apps have their pros and cons, but if you're looking for simplicity and ease of use, Fieldwire takes the lead here. And now for the final thing to consider: support. Procore offers comprehensive support options, including 24/7 access to customer service, training resources, and dedicated account managers. This is ideal for larger teams who need a strong safety net. Fieldwire provides good customer service too, but since it's geared more towards smaller teams, its support options are a bit more limited. So, which is best for construction project management? Fieldwire versus Procore? Well, both tools are effective in their own right, but based on what I've tested, there's an even better alternative. The software we're talking about today offers all the best features you need for managing construction projects without the complexity or price tag of Procore. If you want a better solution for managing your construction projects, one that balances functionality, affordability, and ease of use, take advantage of the free trial in the first link in the description. Through this link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. You won't regret trying it out.